Looking back. 1. Listen and repeat the following sentences.
1. The best moment for you to show your talent is in the contest tomorrow.
2. In this debate, the contestants will state their opinions and points of view.
3. The modest guest took a rest, and then he started talking about his achievements.
4. You are fortunate because you didn't arrive late. It is raining now.
5. The passionate singer sang different songs about peace and love.
2. Listen and write down the words.
1. Commemorate. 2. Late. 3. Moment. 4. Contest. 5. Debate. 6. Guest. 7. Different. 8. Rest. 9. Achievement. 10. Rate.